Hello, welcome guys, welcome to our channel Planscape. Today we are going to teach you how we can create a basic symbols used in electrical drawings. What sort of symbols we need in the electrical drawing. So basically today we are creating the symbol of DB box and MDB and breaker symbol. So these are the basic symbols we need in the electrical drawing. So let's get started. So first of all, we create the symbol of DB box. The DB box, the distribution box, where you have all the breakers inside the cabinet. So basically we have to show this DB box in the ground floor or first floor. So we create like this. So we will create with the rectangle command, and we'll draw the rectangle, and we'll make one diagonal like this, and one side we hatch it. So now we successfully created the DB box symbol. So this can be used in the drawings for ground floor, lighting layouts, power layouts, so many things. And now we are creating the MDB box, main distribution box. So we will start with the rectangle command, and we will draw the cross inside the rectangle, and we hatch both sides. Okay, solid hatch we will use, and now you have successfully created the MDB box symbol. MDB box mainly we use with the meter. So when where we use meter, it is used there. And main distribution box is your main box of your house, where the meter connects with the main distribution box. And we show this on the side plans like this, where we have the boundary wall, we show the metering, and we show the main distribution boxes. Also, we need the symbol in electrical drawings, we need symbol of breakers. So how we can simply create the breaker symbols? We can simply create by creating two lines, and with two circles, okay, opposite to each other, and we create one arc like this, and now it's completed the breaker symbol. So we use also often this symbol in electrical drawings, where we show the single line diagrams or schematics and circuitry. So we use this symbol a lot also. And these are the basic symbols I have shown to you. And if you implement those symbols, and this will help you in creating and designing the electrical schematics drawings and so on and so forth. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, and stay tuned with us for upcoming more latest videos. Thank you.